come prep my largest order to date. I am making just under 1,000 chocolate chip cookies. I've never made this many chocolate chip cookies in my life. I have done all the math, okay? The baking time, that math was hard. It's saying it's gonna take me about 10 hours just to bake it. That's not even including mixing the ingredients, weighing the ingredients, or any of that kind of stuff. I'm gonna be using 17 sticks of butter, 60 eggs. I don't even know how much flour. I'm hoping I have enough. 3 full bags of chocolate that are 5 pounds each. Wish me luck.
I want to start by saying that I wasn't even supposed to do this chocolate chip cookie sale for Rakri because Rakri this year fell on my 10-year anniversary, and I had decided, no, I'm not going to do anything. However, that quickly changed when I got multiple inquiries of whether or not I was selling something for Rakri, and I decided, you know what the hey, I can do it. What I wasn't expecting was to be completely sold out within the first few hours of posting it on my stories. I had posted on Thursday saying that I was going to take pre-orders until a Tuesday, but within that same day, I had to close down my pre-orders because I was at full capacity. I am a one-man band. And of course, as always, I've learned now, as I start posting the content closer to the date, I start getting a flood of more inquiries and people wanting to book last minute. I had prepared for this, kind of, not really. I had posted on my stories that I could only take on a few more boxes. And again, within an hour, I would say, I had 20 more orders. The amount of overwhelming support from my followers has been just shocking. Never in my wildest dreams did I think that I was going to be able to replace my teaching income. And I'm so incredibly grateful for every single follower that has shown my business support. What I love most is how much people love these chocolate chip cookies. Once they've tried them, they come back and they order multiple boxes. I now have serial repeat clients that every time I offer these chocolate chip cookies, which I do once a month, they'll be ordering anywhere from 3 to 5 boxes at a time. And it makes me so happy to hear how much they love the cookies. And I also love when new people try the cookies and the cookies live up to the hype. I'll share those comments with you in just a minute. This all started back in April when I started with my mini egg chocolate chip cookies. And I decided, you know what, I'm going to make this a monthly thing where I offer these cookies once a month. And it's a gateway for people to try something from me without having to, have a big commitment of a cake or a custom cookie order. When I really pause to think about how quickly my business has grown, I'm so taken aback. And I can't quite express the amount of gratitude that I have because I know that my business is thriving because of all of you. The amount of you that message and tell me that you've been following my journey and you're so excited to order from me, you have no idea how much that means to me. I'm a nobody, but you guys have all made me feel so special. And for that, I am forever grateful. Like everything that I've done in my life, I'm putting my heart and soul into this. I have more fire in me than I have had in a very long time. And I've got big plans for my business. I had already shared that my husband created this beautiful website for me, which is going to have a retail section. I also started introducing drink toppers. There's so much more that I want to share with you and update you on. Let me know if you have any specific questions. Okay, bye.